just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is
We do have candy. Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Hopefully you stay for a while.
Peppermint bark.
And yes, we're making peppermint bark. Never made it before, so as always,
Good luck.
good luck to us. So we have white chocolate here
My favorite.
and it's the good stuff, Ghirardelli. We already have peppermint bark,
But we're
so
gonna make our own.
yeah, but we're gonna make our own. Then we have the snowman peppermint bark, but these
The
are
little
peppermint chips.
peppermint chips.
Oops, I just dropped that.
We have candy canes.
And peppermint dust.
Sprinkles.
It's dust.
Dust.
Peppermint dust.
Thank you.
So to make this, you need a double boiler, which we don't have. So we're gonna improvise by using a pot and glass Tupperware. Fingers crossed that works. And then once you melt down the chocolate, you pour it on your parchment paper and let it cool. Well, actually, wait. Before you let it cool, you'll then top it with all your peppermint
Up there.
chips and peppermint dust, and then let it cool off. And then once it cools, you just break it
What's up there?
and eat it. That's it. Oh, it's supposed to be super simple. Supposed to be. Hopefully, we do not burn the chocolate though. Ready?
You have to let the water boil first.
Really?
Yeah.
What's that?
And since all my experience of cooking, I know this.
All your experience.
Yes.
Of cooking?
Yes.
You know how to cook?
Yes.
What you know how to cook?
Everything mommy does.
Get out of here.
I'll help you, mommy.
Is it good?
It's actually better than regular white chocolate.
It's white chocolate.
Better than regular.
Oh,
Like-
the brand? Ooh, child.
I didn't bring it.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Back up.
Leia, don't do that.
It's
You
fire.
pass it.
That's too much. You're too little.
Can I mix it?
You're gonna be gentle because you're not very finessey with your stuff. You be all awkward. You like Callie on the couch at nighttime when she try to cuddle. Leia, can you stop?
No, wait, because the bowl moves.
Yeah, I know that.
So once you get it in here, like I said, this is our makeshift double boiler. So once you get it in here, you turn it on low and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and stir constantly. Constantly.
You're not stirring.
Well, it hasn't started melting yet.
Oh, okay. I don't like white chocolate.
Try it.
No thanks.
It's better than regular white
She
I
only
don't.
likes dark chocolate.
I don't like white chocolate. I've tried it a bunch of different ways. I don't like it.
So you're not gonna eat this peppermint?
I'm gonna eat that though, cause peppermint.
Oh, so the other thing that you could do is add peppermint flavor inside of your white chocolate to give it an additional peppermint flavor. But we do not have peppermint flavoring, so it'll work.
Like,
It's starting to melt. You see the sides there?
yeah.
Starting to melt. You hear me? Huh?
What's the chocolate? Leia Renee, get that! Don't go in there. Go dance somewhere. Doing a great job. Looks like your hair stuff.
At least it doesn't have the balls.
That's
Big chunks.
like the whipped
Stop playing
butter
on that,
I
please.
make. All right, let me see. I want to over boil it. Alright, so once it's boiled down, you can take it.
Big circle.
And put it in your pan of choice. Now you can spread it and make it thin or leave it a little thick.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna spread it just slightly. And then depending on how much chocolate you use, of course, that's how much bark you're gonna have. Okay, sprinkle, go. Put that one on top. I mean after. Okay.
There's none on the sides. There's like none on the
Put
sides.
some on the sides. Okay, that's enough.
No, it's not.
Put some in the
Here.
dust.
Put some dust. Lay's got dust. Caden's
I need
got
more
dust.
dust.
Oh shoot, that was a lot.
That's
Not
really
much.
fun. That's sweet.
Like, okay,
I
no
want
more.
a little bit.
No.
You can't eat flavor. You need to do it over this so it gets stuff.
All right. Now we let this sit. The chocolate is going to harden, and then the toppings will.
It's already hardening.
Oh,
Pardon?
see, it's liquid.
But over here it's hard. A
Okay.
little bit.
That's enough.
It's good though.
All right, so we're gonna sit this here, let it harden, put it in the fridge.
What are we gonna
But we
do
don't
with
have
this?
any room in our fridge. Otherwise, we put it in the fridge. So we're gonna sit it here for a bit and let it harden, and then come back. Once it hardens, you break it
What are we gonna
and
do
then
with
eat it.
this?
That's it.
Oh yeah.
We're back. They make me do this part because you need some to break the white chocolate. Oh, this on the Grinch. How you do it?
That big piece is yours.
Never mind. You break them bigger? So little.
Like half of that. Yeah.
Almost
huge.
Huge. Stop hanging on that plate.
You want the hugest? So cool. This is so easy.
Oh, that's kind of soft.
Oh.
What?
Thanks, babe.
I'm helping. Maybe now I'm doing them over here.
Yeah.
All right. Great job.
Excellent.
That is excellent.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We made all
Mommy,
of
taste
it.
test.
We made all the peppermint bark.
Yes.
Mommy, taste test.
All right. You ready to taste it?
Yes.
Take a little small one. I want this
I want
one.
It's not
this
small.
one.
You want that one?
Uh-huh.
Here's a big piece.
I want a little piece. I don't like white chocolate.
This is actually really good.
Get a small one.
I can barely even taste the white chocolate. It's like whole.
Biggest person
it's
in the
all
house gets the
peppermint.
smallest piece.
It's really good. I'm impressed.
You like white chocolate, isn't it?
Well, you can taste the peppermint though.
I mean, yeah.
Where's the other one? It's very good for those moments that you can't get to a toothbrush really quick. Eat some peppermint bark. Cough, cough. Yep.
Look at the kids.
Tip of the day. keep peppermint bark with you for fresh breath. Immediate fresh breath here.
And sweet.
Let's all smell each other's breath.
No thanks.
I'm afraid.
It smells like that.
I'm afraid of y'all breath.
No,
It smells good.
no, I don't smell your breath.
Oh, it smells like chocolate, white chocolate.
Does it?
Yeah, my breath smells like white chocolate.
Store these in an airtight container
Why?
to keep them fresh. And don't keep them at room temperature. Don't let them go too hot because of course they're gonna melt. But I don't think this is gonna last long. Probably half of it's gonna be gone tonight, and the rest of them will probably be gone tomorrow. But thanks for watching. As always, mwah, we love you.
Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button.
Even if you don't like white chocolate.
And you're still eating it, but you don't like white chocolate.
Peppermint.